Now I am going to show you something that will also open your mind. I am feeling Takusaki, right? Takusaki is dying. Please do not cry on the death of Takusaki. Takusaki, with all his abilities, has gone right there. Do you see the existence of Takusaki right now? Do you see? Is there any existence of the god Takusaki? Nothing. Completely wiped out. This is how the previous nations wiped out with all their concepts of the gods. The Romans, the West, the this and that, so many nations in the past that you study through the through the books, through the stories. There were existence of some people who used to worship these kind of stones. Their stones are like destroyed. Something happened in the past. A flood came, a natural disaster came, right? And this happened. The flood came and the raining started and whatsoever, and the people were wiped out. They all were killed. Their concept of God, their everything died. So if their concepts of the gods died, their gods also died. Because all those people who used to teach each others to worship this, worship this, worship this. When the person died, how can he invite other people to worship that? So all the people who used to invent their own God and they used to control the society under the concept of that God, when the real creator of universe sent the wrath over the people because of their arrogance, because of their illiteracy, because of their crime of inventing fabricated gods against him and misguiding people to worship their version of God, the God sent the wrath and destroyed the people, and they all were wiped out. Now I'm coming to the obviously we have to come and conclude the creator of universe if there is, and yes there is, and we are coming close to that. Even to the fire, yes. Remember the Korangi Creek? I will come to them. Very interesting. So this is how it happened. People throughout the street, not single person. Don't think it is a very simple concept. Don't think it is a joke. This crash course is not a joke. There had been billions of people on planet Earth who are unable to understand this concept until now. That there are more than 6 billion people of planet Earth is still doing the same mistake by repeating the same mistakes which did happen by other people who have been died by the God as a punishment of their sins. And this the same thing is happening by billions of people on planet Earth, and they are being destroyed and killed by God because of their crimes and sins, because of being arrogant and disobeying the God, the creator of universe. Yes, the creator of universe. Now I'm coming to that point.